All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to use some of our signal options here, starting with LinkedIn search, group, or post URL. So within LinkedIn, here's one of the tactics I like to use. Anybody that's using cold email needs data for their cold emails. So I'll search for posts about cold email. Now, this search alone has a unique value that it's returned. All of this list here, if I were to filter it by posts, for example, all of these posts might be interesting to me. So if I knew that I wanted to engage with anybody who's writing about cold email, I could just take this link right here, copy it, and then bring it back over to Coldlytics and paste it and say, in the additional notes, I would just specify anybody who posted about cold email. You know, that's who my prospect is, right? Now, another way that I could use this is I could then come in and go, let's look at this specific post has over 2,000 comments, right? And this is a post about cold email. So I would then engage with the post, comment on it, and try to connect with this person. And then I'd click the three dots over here, copy link to post. You have to click the three dots to get this link appropriately. And even if your view looks different than mine does, you'll still need to click the three dots to get the appropriate link that other people can see too. We'll bring that back to Coldlytics and we can paste it here. And you can either hit enter like that, or you can just hit the plus and it will add it. Under groups, let's find a group. We're going to switch from posts to groups. Sales best practices. Let's take this one, for example. Seems like every person in sales is in this group. What I would then do is copy this URL at the top, because this is a unique group ID at the top. I'm going to take that and just paste it here and hit enter. And then you can request for contacts that match the criteria you've specified here to be sourced from this specific group. So that's how you can collect data and build a list out of a LinkedIn search result, a LinkedIn post, and or its commenters or likers. You can specify whatever, or a LinkedIn group itself. It's as simple as that. That's how quickly you can utilize the LinkedIn search, group, or post URL option.